walking up the lava field.
So we're off to a great start here in Iceland. We've met Nina.
Welcome to our sofa.
Explored Reykjavik.
So behind us we have the famous Hallgrímskirkja, or something like that. I'm sure I'm saying it totally wrong.
And encountered two very odd-looking water beasts at one of the most beautiful hot springs in Iceland.
So Dave and I were having a nice little lunch, and we met this lovely couple that told us they just did the volcano hike, and that it was beautiful and erupting and clear day, which is kind of uncommon to have here, clear erupting day in Iceland. So we're headed right now to the volcano to see if we can kind of catch a beautiful view of this volcano, this erupting volcano. And it's about a 2.5 mile hike. Super exciting.
You can see the lava flow right there, a lava flow.
Oh, can you?
Straight ahead with the black.
Oh, yeah.
That's a
Oh my God.
old lava flow.
Since March of 2021, Iceland has a volcano that has been constantly erupting. You know, usually when I hear erupting volcanoes, I think of this. Holy! But this volcano here in Iceland, called Fagradalfjall in Gillingadalur, seems to be what we'd call a tourist volcano. Yeah, everyone seems to be heading towards the volcano. So, as tourists of Iceland, let's check it out.
All right, babe, so you ready?
I am.
You ready to hike up to a volcano that is erupting?
I'm nervous.
What are you nervous about? This is an erupting volcano. Come on, this is like the tourist volcano.
Yeah, the tourist
Easy.
volcano.
This place is like a party scene here in the parking lot.
Very good point.
You got a food truck and everything.
Well, I'm going to really make it a party right now.
Have that bourbon. Let's do it. All right, now you're ready.
Woo! Now I'm ready.
Don't worry, we have water too.
What do we do?
All right.
Plenty.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, I'm ready.
So we're walking in. Check out the volcano. You can see the lava fields up ahead as we're getting closer, and a lot of folks walking on this one. We got lucky with some nice weather earlier today. Clouds look like they're starting to roll in a little bit. Yeah, shouldn't be too bad here. We aren't too far away. Got to hike up right up to about that level there. Top of that hillside straight ahead. How you feeling, Tanya? All right.
Excited.
It's a little windy up here right now. You can sort of hear that wind. Well, you got the lava field. Hey, babe. Bit of a windy hike right now. It's a little cloudy up there right now.
Yeah,
We'll see if it opens up. Yeah, super. You could go up higher. Supposed to have gone up higher, but normally you can see it from here if it's not too foggy. But fog has rolled in a bit.
it is really, really windy. So that could be a good thing right now. I mean, maybe, just maybe, the fog over there may clear up. So we're gonna hang out for a few minutes more, see if we can actually get a little bit of clear skies. What we don't want to happen is it to start raining a little bit, because it can be pretty treacherous going downhill from here.
So the weather of Iceland is always changing, and unfortunately, after hiking way up here to see the erupting volcano from the crater, the fog has blocked our views. So we hiked back down to get a more up-close and personal look at the lava field.
We're walking up the lava field, and you actually see two flows here. There was one flow that is smoother, which actually happened first, and then you can see the rougher flow that's coming over the top. And we actually learned this week that the reason why it's smoother and rougher is that the earlier flow cooled more quickly, and so crystals didn't form. It's smoother because of that. And the second flow, because it flowed over the warmer initial lava flow, cooled more slowly, which allowed more crystals to form. Kind of neat.
Yeah, we we actually spoke to a wonderful Icelandic family that lives not just a little bit outside of Reykjavik, and they have been monitoring and seeing this transition. They actually once could hike, you know, those ridges, but of course now the lava's slowed down quite a bit. And then they showed some really cool pictures of some of the actual molten lava coming out of the edges. But they did say that they were a little concerned with the fact that it may flow over into sort of the roads.
Right,
you know,
down to the sea eventually.
Down to the sea eventually. So they're trying to take precautions and to stop it, but it's happening so quickly. So hopefully it doesn't actually make it down to the those parts.
Yeah, I know, it's so hard. I mean, lava is kind of this. Oh, there you go.
Oh!
Breaking it off. It almost forms this outer crust,
Yes.
and you have the hot lava underneath it that's still potentially flowing, especially as you go towards the middle.
Yeah.
So don't go out there and
Don't
walk
go out
on
there.
fresh lava flows, because there's a chance it might break through or it might burn right through your
Yeah, and you
sneakers.
can see that this is definitely fresher. Look over the other side.
Yeah, okay.
Looks so dirty and dusty, but hey, on a cool night like right now, just warm your hands up in front of
Warm me up a little bit.
the lava rocks.
Right.
Oh, what do we got cooking for supper tonight? Ooh, cooking hot dogs on the bobby.
Truly hard to describe the feeling of being this close to an active volcano. Amazing. Now, we received a phone call from a helicopter company here in Iceland that informed us that they had an open spot to check out this volcano from a different perspective. So, as it was said in one of our favorite movies, Back to the Future,
We don't need roads where we're going.
We don't need roads. Oh, thank
Roads?
you very much.
Thanks,
Bye,
guys. Roads? Who needs roads where we're
Roads
going?
where we're going.
Hello. All right, baby, ready?
I'm so excited.
Right? Oh, man.
This is you know, I'm already feeling a little bit of the gale
Yes, a little bit.
as it flows, a little bit here and there.
All right, Dave is our pilot.
Right? Are you off to a good start? We like that name.
Yes.
That's a great name. I'm surrounded by two amazing Davids. I'm good to go. And we're not alone. And what are your names again? Jane and Jane and Sam
from California. Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
Shake, rattle, and roll.
I am ready.
Shake and bake.
Shake and bake.
Shake and
Shake and bake.
There's nothing to fear if you try. If you keep believing, like rain falling soft from the sky, I'll tend to your needs. We can live.
It's a very surreal, magical, and undescribable feeling you get being able to comfortably witness one of life's most miraculous and powerful forces at work. You know, Dave and I were very excited to not only be here, but to share this incredible experience through our lens with you, because it's truly a once-in-a-lifetime experience we will never forget. Next time on Turn It Up World Does Iceland, we eat around Iceland, exploring some of the Icelandic foods.
I heard these are pretty good. Roasting is right here, guys.
Plus, we stumble upon a few hidden gem spots you don't want to miss.
It's incredible.
Let's see,
we go.
that magic does.
Yeah, you better loosen up your belt for this one.